What's up, guys? Welcome or welcome back to the channel, Cooking with me, chefqe. Today we are making some Biscoff chocolate chip cookies. Now, if you guys watched my Biscoff cheesecake video and like that, you'll definitely love these cookies because they are so good. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's bake. Alright, you guys saw a quick overview of everything that we need. So in my mixing bowl, I'm going in with my soft and unsalted butter, my light brown sugar, and granulated sugar. I'm going to start to cream them on a low speed just until it starts to come together. Our butter and sugars are coming together nicely, so I'm going in with my crunchy Biscoff cookie butter. I'm going to cream my butters and sugars until it's nice and fluffy. As you guys can see, we have our butter and sugar mixture light and fluffy. I'm going to give my bowl a nice scrape down. I have my eggs here, so to make things easier, I'm going to add my vanilla extract to my eggs and then add half of the eggs and vanilla to my bowl. We're going to let this mix until the eggs are well incorporated in. The first half of my eggs are well mixed in, so I'm going to give my bowl a good scrape down again and then add in the remaining egg and vanilla mixture. Alright guys, it's coming together nicely. I'm going to sift in half of my flour. I'm using self-rising flour here, but you can certainly use all-purpose flour instead. Just be sure to add in your baking soda and salt. I'll be sure to put the exact measurements of that down in the description box below. I have half of my flour sifted in, so I'm going to let that mix in on a low speed for a few seconds. I'm going to give my bowl a scrape down once again, sift in the remaining flour and let that mix in as well. Our cookie dough is looking good, so I'm going to add in my white chocolate chips, but first I'm going to sprinkle in a little flour and gently toss them until they're lightly coated. This is to prevent them from sinking to the bottom. This also ensures that they get evenly distributed throughout the cookies. We have our chocolate chips folded in, so let's get to the fun part. I have my ice cream scoop or cookie scoop, whichever you prefer to call it. And as you can see, I like jumbo size cookies, okay? But you could certainly make them smaller if you'd like. I'm going to scoop out about 5 cookies and space them out a bit. I took it a step further and plopped a spoonful of the crunchy Biscoff cookie butter right on top of the cookies. Then I went back and rolled it into the cookie dough, so when you bake it, it'll be right in the middle. Of course, this is optional. You don't have to do this step if you don't want. This is optional as well, but I do like to go in and add extra white chocolate chips on top just for presentation. Now we're going to bake these babies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 12 minutes, depending on the size, or until they're just golden brown around the edges. Alright guys, here we are fresh out of the oven. I let them sit for about 2 to 3 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Now y'all already know I'm extra, so after letting them cool for about 20 minutes, I melted some of this regular creamy Biscoff cookie butter in the microwave for a few seconds, and now I'm just going to drizzle this yumminess all over my cookies. Alright guys, so to top it all off, I've crumbled up some of the actual Biscoff cookies that you get from the store, and I'm going to sprinkle some on top of my cookies as well. And now I'm going to put the whole Biscoff cookie on top to finish it off, and I'm using more cookie butter to make them stick, y'all. I know, the ultimate big backetry, y'all. I don't care, these turned out so good. And that is it, guys. Our big back Biscoff chocolate chip cookies are complete. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to bake with me. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Comment down below what you think of this recipe. Follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in the next video.